Welcome back. Welcome back. So, this must be my care package. Administration office. Sorbo products. Yes. This is the care package Sorbo promised me. The joint is kind of hefty though. I want to see what's in here. For a box this small, it's got some girth to it. So we're going to slice this open. I love this razor, man. It's for me, it was the best handheld scraper, because most handheld scrapers, they're small, and this one's actually pretty good, decent size. I guess you don't want to go too big with a handheld scraper, especially if you plan on putting it in your pocket. But nonetheless, yeah, I know the blade is rusty, but it's rusty sharp. So don't mess with me, because I'll cut you with a rusty blade. All right, let's open this up. Man, they made sure this box wasn't coming open. Look, they stapled this joint. Look at these staplers. Wow, these are fancy staplers. Look at that. I wonder if I could take this to the scrap yard. Is it copper? No. Oh, no, it ain't copper. It's painted to look like copper to make it look fancy. You know, the waste copper like that for a stapler, I highly doubt it. Yeah, no sense saving them. Hey, man, another man's trash is someone else's treasure, right? All the time. All right, so let's see what this... All right, I'll pop that later. Oh, yeah. The famous glass cleaning soap for longer lasting clean, developed especially for the Sorbo. Nice. 3x4 line of quality squeegees for extremely hot climate. Warning, eye irritant, harmful if swallowed. Well, most chemicals is harmful, but I guess they gotta, if you swallow, but I guess they gotta put that on here. 1 tablespoon makes 2 gallons? No way. Yes way. You heard it, and I read it. 2 gallons with 1 tablespoon. Outstanding. Oh, look at that. Thank you. Thank you. This will be my jotting down notes when I'm walking around people's houses, and use this to put some notes down. That's good. And then we have the famous Sorbo Squeegee Glide. I like to try this on that razor. Unfortunately, today I don't have anything to scrape, but I do have, you know what? I want to put some of this in my trad pack. Yeah, most people will put this in their bucket, but I'm going a different way. The results is still going to be the same, I'm sure. Ooh, man, I got a nice pen to write my invoices now. Boy, look at that. That's sharp looking. Yeah, baby. That's a nice looking pen there. Don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I do. All right, now. Woo! Man, this thing looks snazzy. Look at that. This thing looks snazzy. Oh, yeah, this will come in handy on these windows I'm about to do right in here, this restaurant today. And then we have, nice, we got that mop everyone's been talking about. Here would be a poor example for this mop, the way it was made, to see how it will work on it, because these don't have much of a frame. But I will review this later on. But I am going to use it on this job to see how much the water retention is. Seeing as how I haven't used a traditional mop, and whew. Well, I can't lie on a previous house, but that's only because I didn't have a rubber, and I just wanted to get started. So I had used a regular orbital with a mop. Oh, I mean with a squeegee. Nice. Is this the Black Mamba? I mean, not Black Mamba. Somebody explain to me, what is this? See, there's no labels on this, so I don't know. But he does have a patent on whatever this channel is. Surprisingly, this channel feels kind of light. You know what makes it heavy? I think is the handle. Some used to Wagtail, but that's not an issue. It's not that heavy. Oh, nice. He got me those extra blades for the nice scraper that I have. And oh yeah, this is that new rubber formula. For those who don't know, Sorbo changed his rubber formula. All right. This is the Black Mamba. I think I want to do the Mamba now. Mamba goes Mambo. Does anyone else know how to Mamba? I don't even know how to Mamba, but I can sure try. I've probably done the Mamba or the Tango a few times, so I'm going to tango with this Mamba in a few minutes. But yeah, the Mamba has 90-degree ends, and the Quicksilver has 40-degree ends, which is perfect for fanning. If you're going to do a lot of straight pulls and pole work, the Black Mamba is more your best bet, but you can still fan with it just as well. But the Quicksilver actually gets you into the corners better. It said nothing about rain, and it's looked like it wants to rain. I'm feeling somebody spit on me. That's very nice of you guys to keep spitting on me today. All right, so that's all I need to hear is these people's mouths. Oh, you're always coming when it rains. No, the rain always coming when I come. But anyways, that Sorbo Black Mamba looks kind of nice, all jet black like, you know. This squeegee channel was one of the very first ones he invented in 1986. It's actually the very first black wide body channel that was designed. This wide body squeegee is the only squeegee to change the way squeegees were made since Ettore or Ettore, you say potato, I say potato, since 1936. All right. He wants to let the new generation know about he is the original inventor of these wide body channels. Now, this shook up the window cleaning world since Ettore created their first brass squeegee in 1936. All right, so this is good stuff right here. So we're going to put this one into play, and we're going to put the Black Mamba into play. Now, I usually don't like that much rubber exposed on the ends. Y'all see that? I don't know if that's standard, if I have to use it like that. I'm sure I can adjust it, but I guess it would depend on the frame. See, I haven't used this in so long. I think this is actually the channel that I had. When I had that purple, yellow clip, yellow lever and black handle. So, all right, enough talk. Let's hop right into it. I want to thank Sorbo for sending me these nice toys, man. I'm about to go play with, I'm going to be like a kid in the candy store playing with some toys now. I have that contest, like I said, coming up. And I had a video, most people didn't watch it, but those who did comment on that particular video, if you look hard enough, it ain't real hard to find. You just gotta do some work. But those who comment on that video, automatically, I was gonna say, never mind, because I'll give it away. Hey, that rhymed. But whoever commented on that video is automatically entered if they were interested. That's going to be one of the requirements. You have to find that video and comment on it. So he's got some stuff that he's going to donate to my contest. I guess he thinks that's a pretty snazzy idea. You know, I'm just giving back. You know, it's no angle here for those who think, well, why is he doing that? You know, why not? You know, maybe you're saying that because it's something you wouldn't do or something most people wouldn't do. Or maybe they never thought about it. I've been doing this since I've been on YouTube, right? So no one was really doing giveaways, but, you know, they are now. And who knows, you know? Maybe because they see someone else doing it. I don't know. But I've been doing it since I've even taken donations from different people in different countries to help contribute to my contest. I was going to start a non-profit donation hub for needy window cleaners. That never panned out because there wasn't enough people that thought like I thought. And not to mention, they put the thumbs down on that video. How could you put the thumbs down on somebody that's trying to lift somebody's spirits and help them come up? That behooves me, for real, for real. That's perplexing all in itself. I don't understand some people, man. Some people are just pigs in life, you feel me? You know what pigs do, right? They roll around in their own shit, excuse my French. They roll around in their own crap. And they always up to their ears in crap. You know what I mean? Because they live it and they eat it and they sleep it all day long. They living in crap. You know what I mean? Those are the real pigs in life. You feel me? People who's always negative and getting over on people because they're just piggish. But all right, let's jump into it.